Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about the Collector Leviathan. The Collector Leviathan is the primary antagonizing force in the game right now, at least as far as creatures that could potentially eat you are concerned, where as you're traveling between major points in the game, there is one major Collector Leviathan that pretty much everyone has to deal with at least once, and there's another one later in the game over top of a very important point of interest. And really, the thing that's scary about the Collector Leviathan isn't the fact that if you're running around without a tadpole, it'll probably chase you down and eat you, although it can still chase you down even if you have the tadpole, because it's faster than you and has these big old grippers that can latch onto you and tear you limb from limb. No, it's the fact that, for the most part, this is a creature that has evolved with a diamond-sharp beak that's capable of ripping through titanium hard plating. This is a creature that, if you look at the bottom of the trench between the hot zone and the later portions of the game, you'll notice that there's a collection of small, great jaw leviathans that have been completely torn open and all of their flesh eaten. And if you go a little bit higher, swimming along the ravine and up towards the hot zone, along the southern end of the starter area, you'll notice in this zone there's a lot of dead crabs with their shells crushed open and parts of their bodies completely missing or torn apart. And really, the thing that makes the Collector Leviathan more scary than it was before is the fact that you're not even its primary target. You're not even barely a morsel. This is a creature that's equipped to handle much larger, much sturdier, and much more capable creatures. So even if you were floating around inside of your submarine, there wasn't really much you were going to do about it, besides be a slightly inconvenient snack inside of a tinfoil wrapper. So anyway, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at the Collector Leviathan, the squid-like creature that patrols the ravine between the zones inside of Subnautica. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.